Another video tutorial mga ka-explore. Ito ay related din sa AI technology na kung saan mag-generate tayo ng image from a text. Bale, mag-input or mag-prompt tayo ng text tapos based sa prompt natin, makikita natin ang result na image or picture na. So, para lubusan maintindihan, umpisa na natin. Let's go! Mga ka-explore, ito ay different websites na kung saan mag-generate tayo ng image based sa prompt natin. So, let's check natin yung una, yung DALL-E. Ito yung DALL-E developed by OpenAI din. So, creating images from text. Ito, browse natin para may overview tayo. We trained a new neural network called DALL-E that creates images from text captions for a wide range of concepts expressible in natural language. Okay. Ito ay may 12 billion parameters version of ChatGPT trained to generate images from text descriptions. So, using a dataset of text image pairs, we found that it has a diverse set of capabilities including creating anthropomorphized versions of animals and objects, combining unrelated concepts in plausible ways, rendering text and applying transformations to existing images. Okay. Sample nila, ito yung tinatawag na prompt, text prompt. An illustration of a baby daikon radish in a tutu walking a dog. So, ito yung nag-generate na image ng AI. Another prompt nila is an armchair in the shape of an avocado. Ayun. And a storefront that has the word OpenAI written on it. Ayan, meron yan. And finally, the exact same cat on the top of a sketch on the bottom. Ayun. Ito yung pusa sa taas. Ito yung mga sketch niya. Okay. So, another website wherein you can generate image is Midjourney and also AI image generator. At actually, maraming other websites yan na pwede mag-generate ng image. Meron dito miramuseai.net na kung saan habang nagbabrowse ako, ito na-stumble ko. So, tinry ko at saka nagustuhan ko yung result nito, tsaka maganda yung resolution. So, try natin mag-sign in. Pag wala kayong account, you need to sign in para makapag-explore kayo at mag-try to test kung ano meron dito. So, text to image with AI art generator. Easily turn your sites into stunning visuals using the image AI art generator. Just enter your text, pick a style, and see your image come to life. Okay, so dito natin ilagay yung text prompt natin. Meron akong ginawa dito na prompt. So, ito. Try natin to. Dark forest lightened by the glowing flying fireflies. Okay. Alright. Generate natin. Okay. Try natin ulit. Realistic 1:1 ratio. Meron akong 4 na credits na natira. Number of images 2. So, before natin i-generate, actually meron na akong prompt before. Ito yung mga results. So, maganda yung resolution niya. Maganda tingnan yung image. So, depende sa prompt natin. So, ito yung prompt natin. Try natin. Let's go. Generate. Ganda ng result, oh. Dark forest lightened by the glowing flying fireflies. So, ito yung result based sa text prompt natin. Okay, so try natin i-download. Tapos, later on, i-slideshow natin yung lahat ng nagawa ko. Okay, successfully downloaded. Meron ako another one. Ito. Ninjas in rural area throwing blades to their opponent. Okay. Same lang din natin to. Generate, let's go. Antayin natin, ano kaya result nito? Wow! Ayun. Sige, goods na rin. Maganda yung quality, di ba? Okay, download natin ulit. Alright. Meron pa akong 2 credits na natira. Okay. Finally, try natin to. Fighting warriors in the raining fire with smoke and ashes. Ito. Let's go. Ayun. Parang nasa scene lang ng pelikula. Ayan, maganda yung quality niya. So, download natin. Tinry ko yung normal. Ito, may nakita ko dito. Yung tinry kong normal. Ito yun. Yan. Normal image lang. Ito yung prompt ko. A warrior covering a shield in a raining arrows. Ayun. Tapos, ito yung tinry ko yung anime. Yan. A warrior covering a shield in a raining arrows. Same din yung same din yung prompt, pero yung model natin na pinili is anime. So, ito yung result. And try natin yung 3D animation. Let's see kung ano yung result. Ito, try natin itong prompt na to. Balik tayo dito. Flying fireflies. Okay, 3D animation. 2 images. Last credit ko na to. Actually, pag naubusan ako ng credit, after 2 months pa, otherwise, kung gusto ko agad-agad, then need ko mag-subscribe, mag-purchase. Okay, let's go. Generate natin. Yun yung parang siya, 3D animation nga yung meron. Ayun, maganda rin talaga yung quality niya. Okay, download natin. So, depende rin sa text prompt natin. So, basically kung ano yung ilalagay natin doon, magde-generate siya based sa prompt natin. So, let's try natin yung credit. In case, otherwise, di ba wala na akong credit. So, eto yun. Free. 2 images, 1 go. Okay. Pag gusto mo ng mag-subscribe, ito, yearly billing. Pag yearly billing ka, every month, bali, $7 per month lang. So, times 12, yan yung babayaran mo upfront. Pero kung gusto mag-monthly billing, almost $10. So, ito monthly yung babayaran mo. So, you can decide either para makatipid ka kung gusto mo parati itong gagamitin. So, this is the most advisable subscription. Yearly ka na lang kasi makakasave ka. $3 per month, $7 per month lang. Pero otherwise, ito kung minsan ka lang naman, so pero $10 ka ma-charge. So, kung ito yung gawin mo, so maximize mo na in a month kasi ito yung features niya, 1,000 fast generation per 1,000 image generations. Okay, unlimited ka mag-process. Ayun, pwede doon sa na 4 images. Tsaka walang watermark, commercial license. Ayun. So, eto, depende sa iyo to. Pero, ayan, so you decide which one. Pero, nagandahan ako dito sa Muse AI na to. And I recommended it. Especially sa mga artist dyan, magaling mag-isip kung paano yung mga prompt nila. Why not try this one? I highly recommend also sa mga starter, like katulad din natin. So, magandang prompt, magandang result based sa text natin i-generate ng software na to. Mga ka-explore, pag hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, you better click the subscribe button para in case meron tayong new videos. Definitely, ikaw yung unang makaka-receive ng notification para mapanood yung bago nating video. Alright, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.